Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating study that might just change the way we think about obesity treatment. It's all about the incredible Burmese python and its secret to surviving long periods without eating. But here's the twist. Scientists have discovered a molecule in python blood that could be the key to a new generation of obesity drugs. So, grab your snacks and let's unravel this snaky science mystery. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the Burmese python. These guys can grow to be massive, reaching lengths of over 16 feet and weighing close to 220 pounds. But what's truly remarkable is their ability to feast like there's no tomorrow and then go months without eating, seemingly without any negative consequences. It's like they've mastered the ultimate crash diet. Now, scientists wanted to uncover the secrets behind this metabolic marvel. They set out to identify the molecules involved in the python's sudden heart growth and increased metabolism after eating. And that's when they stumbled upon a molecule called pTOS, which spikes in the python's blood after a big meal. It's produced by the snake's gut bacteria and is also found in human urine, but in very low amounts. The real magic happened when they tested pTOS on obese mice. These mice, when given pTOS, started eating less and lost weight rapidly. It was like a natural appetite suppressant, but without the nasty side effects often associated with drugs like Wegovy. This pTOS molecule seems to target the hypothalamus, a brain region that regulates appetite, unlike GLP-1 medications that slow down stomach emptying. Dr. Jonathan Long, one of the researchers, explains that studying pythons might just give us insights into human metabolism. He says, "We are not snakes, but by understanding these animals' unique adaptations, we might uncover new ways to tackle obesity in humans." It's a fascinating idea, right? But here's the catch. While pTOS shows promise, it's still early days. Professor Leslie Lanewand, another researcher, emphasizes that further studies are needed before we can apply this finding to humans. However, since pTOS occurs naturally in humans, it's likely to be safe. It's like nature has already given us a head start. So what does this all mean for obesity treatment? Well, it's a step in the right direction. By understanding the python's metabolic secrets, we might be able to develop safer and more effective drugs to combat obesity. It's a reminder that nature often holds the answers we're looking for, and sometimes it's just a matter of looking in the right places. In my opinion, this study highlights the incredible potential of nature-inspired solutions. It's a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and the endless possibilities that lie within the natural world. So, keep an eye out for future research on this snaky discovery. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you next time.